Welcome back to RazFamArt. Today we're going to draw Belle from the movie Beauty and the Beast. To begin, we're going to make a U shape for her head. And I'm going to go down. I'm actually going to stop at her chin and make another line going up to finish off this U. So her chin is a little bit more pointy. You can see it there. Next, I'm going to make her hairline in a V shape. And come out a little bit. Have another hair come out over there. Make her eyes just so she has some face features by starting with an oval and a tiny circle and a tinier circle. Another oval for the other eye. And I'm going to do the same exact thing. Drawing a tiny circle and a tinier circle and a tiny mouth and a tiny little mouth. Make some small eyebrows. I'm going to quickly color in these eyes so it looks better for you YouTube fans out there. Let's start by making her body. I'm going to add her shoulders right here. Then make a V shape. Going in and in. Oh, I'm going to touch up the line right here. Make it a little darker. All right, and then we're going to loop around for her dress. And loop around again. Okay, we're going to make a U shape. A very narrow U shape for her arm and her hand. And continue with her dress, going curved, a very short curve line, and another U for her arm. And let's continue making that dress. So we're going to start from the middle here. And make our way up. And just touching up this line really quick. And make another line like an upside down J going down here. Next, I'm going to make a diagonal line. Very short. And a curved line connecting those two ends. One. And there we go. Next, we're going to make kind of like little U shapes for the center of her dress. 3, 4, 5. Awesome! We got most of Belle done, but now she needs some accessories. Let's give her some earrings. There's one little circle, and then another tiny circle. And let's start drawing her beautiful hair. I'm going to start from the center here. I'm going to go a little up and down, curve down. And stop at that earring. And continue that curve line to her cheek. I'm going to go to the middle again and do something similar to the other side. I'm going to go to her earring, and then I'm going to come out and kind of curve there. And then come back down. Sorry guys, I'm a lefty. I kind of taking up the space here. Okay, then another zigzag there. Okay. And here we go with some extra lines just to show her beautiful hair. You can make your own lines like this, or you can make different lines. This is your drawing. You can do whatever you like. I'm going to just put one more line right over here. And I'm going to show that her hair is up. So I'm going to go from one side of her head to the other with a curved line. There we go. And I'm going to do another curved line just like that. That's going to be like her hair tie, and then a bun. Another small curved line. Yay, we did it! Belle is all done and she is ready to get colored in. You can use markers, crayons, colored pencils, whatever you feel comfortable with or whatever you have at home. Enjoy! Don't forget to like and please subscribe. Also, hit that bell for notifications.